Jackie, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make homemade coconut milk. So for this recipe, you guys are going to need 2 coconuts. I'm using the ripe coconut, the brown one. I'm going to use 2 coconuts and 6 cups of warm water to be creating around 1 liter of coconut milk. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is grab a drill, and you want to drill the coconut so you can remove the water inside of it, okay? After you drill the coconut, you're going to want to break it with a hammer so you can open it up. So after you remove the water and you were able to break the coconut, the third step now is you're going to get a butter knife, or a knife with no ending, round ending, and you're going to go underneath for us to remove the hard shelf, okay? You guys are going to notice that there's this brown skin on the coconut right here. You don't really need to remove it. The milk is still going to be white. But if you want it even whiter, you can go and you can peel this skin from the coconut. Just takes a lot more work. And it's not really needed because it's still going to be a really white milk. Okay, so I already removed all my coconut from the harder shell, and I left, like I said, I choose to leave my skin on. After that's done, there's 2 coconuts in there. I'm gonna put 6 cups of warm water. If I was using 1 coconut, I would be using 3 cups of warm water. Close it, and I'm gonna leave it blending for about 5 to 6 minutes. So after about 5 minutes of blending my coconut with the warm water, now I'm gonna strain it. Yeah, you're gonna strain it. So I bought this, it's actually a coffee one, but you guys can use it with a towel too. It's no problem. Just so you guys know, don't use this for coffee. It's just for milk. This is the fun part. So after that part was done, which is the fun part, you guys are left over with the milk. You can see that even though I left the skin, it's a pretty white milk. So here's our milk. You can leave it in the fridge now. I put it in a glass container. It's much better than a plastic one. Another note that I want to make for you guys is this milk, once it settles, it's going to separate the fat and the water. You guys are going to see separation. Don't be alarmed. That's totally normal, okay? The fat's also the coconut fat, which is a great source of fat for you guys to be drinking. So when you're going to use this milk, just stir it up again and it's ready to go. Another thing that's really good about this milk, it's after you make the milk and you drain it, you're going to be left over with the residue, the coconut residue. So this residue, I actually have a cake recipe that you guys can make with it, or you guys can put it in the oven, and once it no longer sticks to your finger, you guys can take it out of the oven and put it in a food processor and make flour with it, coconut flour. It's actually really good to eat it in salads or in smoothies. You have tons of options to do with the coconut residue. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, make comments. If you guys have any questions, I'll be answering them, okay? Thank you.